How to earn money online in 2024 without having any skill. Earning money online without specific skills can be challenging, but there are still opportunities available. Here are some ways you can explore. Online fees and reviews. Participate in paid online surveys or write reviews for products and services. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindal Research offer such opportunities. Microtasks on crowdsourcing platform. Join platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker, where you can complete small tasks for payment. These tasks may include data entry, categorization, or image labeling. Freelance gigs on Fiverr or Upwork. While these platforms often require skills, you can still find simple tasks like data entry, virtual assistants, or basic graphic design that don't require advanced expertise. Participate in affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission through affiliate marketing. You don't need to create the products yourself. You just need to share your affiliate links. Amazon Associates is a popular choice. Sell photos online. If you have a smartphone or camera, you can sell your photos on stock photo websites such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Alamy. Rent out your stuff. Use platforms like Fat Llama to rent out items you own, such as tools, camera equipment, or outdoor gear. Participate in online contests. Look for online contests and competitions that offer cash prizes. This could include writing contests, photography competitions, or other creative challenges. Rent your space. If you have extra space, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo. Online tutoring for basic subjects. Offer tutoring services for basic subjects on platforms like Check Tutors or Tutor.com. Remote customer service. Apply for remote customer service positions on websites like Remote.co or Indeed. Some companies hire individuals for entry-level customer service roles. Virtual assistants. Provide virtual assistance services such as email management or data entry through platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. Content mills for writing. Join content mills like Textbroker, where you can write articles and earn money based on the quality of your content. Participate in online market research. Sign up for online market research studies on platforms like Respondent or User Interviews. Cashback and rewards programs. Join cashback and rewards programs like Rakuten, Honey, or Dosh to earn money back on your online purchases. While these methods may not make you rich overnight, they can provide a supplemental income. Remember to be cautious of scams and always research the legitimacy of the platforms you choose. Additionally, consider developing new skills over time to open up more opportunities for earning money online.